Hi there, I am user Magma from B4X forum and this is my first tutorial for my EasyCode form view generator. First of all, I want to say sorry for my bad English. Second, I want to super thanks Errol and all the members for the advice and support giving to us every day. Actually, it's my first attempt for a utility tool made with B4X for B4X and sharing with you and the first of a series EasyCode. Will come much more in future. Hope you like it and use it for speed up your development work. It is fully compatible with Errol's form builder, B4X dialog, B4X preferences dialog, B4X table, XUI views, and the results running at Android and desktop too. You can fully customize the form generated, layouts, buttons, images for true, false, colors. Also gives you features to print a desktop with 3 different ways. One for Android. Is using HTML and predefined form, you'll find it very useful. In this tutorial we will create together a simple and fast example to see some features and how easily can use it in your projects. First of all, let's see the user interface of EasyCode. First time opening the EasyCode, you are going to select folder for working. The best folder for me is the assets files into a project. Selecting the folder. Now selecting the database. Here we are. With the new button you can repeat this again. With the selection of table you can select the table you want to work. Select this table. The up and the down button are for moving fields and columns. The bin is for deleting the field from the view, not from database. You will see this button is for selecting the type of the field. Of course, when opening a table, automatically the program assigns some types of fields. You can change it easily from here. There are many types of fields. The options type gives you more options. You can select from a table a specific table and a specific field to show a list of it. Creates an SQL command. You can also change the width of columns with these arrows. You can pre-select predefined a field. Let's predefine the boolean. You can change the caption. Have in mind, when the view showing and the total width of columns smaller from the form width, then the rest of width shared to all widths to stretch at the form. The same at the maximized window. But when the total width is bigger than the form, scroll bars will show to move into the table of columns. Also, have in mind that the caption of header has to do with view and JSON dialog too. The switch button here, when turned on, is for replacing JSON dialog file, but if you don't want to do that, just turn off and will not replace it. Save view opens dialogs with predefined name of table with .view. Also, saving to view creates two more files, JSON for dialog plus HTML for printing form. All these can be edited easily. JSON from Earl's Form Builder and HTML with a notepad or an HTML editor. Here the preview enable is the same with the result we'll have to. Okay, let's create an example project. I've already downloaded the 3 B4X pages with action bar from B4X forum. It is a simple example with 3 B4X pages and an action bar for switching them. It is really practical. You can know more about B4X pages in forum. Already unzipped the files into the directory of example, named different as example tel catalog. So the concept here is that we have already an SQLite database. If not, we are creating like here one. Let's say phone catalog. We'll save it in examples folder. Already made at my folder packages you received by me. We are adding tables, into tables we are adding the columns fields we need. Have in mind, when you're checking not null, the field is required by the program. Have in mind, EasyCode checks all fields, and if found that the first field is a numeric field, will be used for auto increment value and like a record value, so you must have caution to it. If not, a numeric value will ask for it in preferences dialog, so every time we must be careful what value we'll give, because will be a unique field. We just configure our fields. You can predefine the color. We are ready. Now we must copy all the needed files from our package folder and specifically EasyView table module. We are selecting all, readme first not need, copy these files to our project. Past here. Open the project. We must specify the needed libraries. B4X prefers dialog, B4X table, the cell, JCell, reflection, add existing models, easy view table, and relative path. Also needs the B4X table selections. Let's modify a little the menu. It's the file page to left, so we must create 2 more buttons. One for the cities table to add some cities if we need, and one for the telephone catalog. Go to the right. Page needs the menu, so generate them. Also click. Save it. And now we must type some lines to B4X main page, B4X page 2, and add the main for calling the database. Don't forget, supporting me supports B4X Forum too. Thanks for watching.